What a great community Ventry at Edgmont Preserve is. We are located in Newtown Square. We're completely surrounded by Ridley Creek State Park, which gives folks a really nice backdrop to their homes and the community. You can get to Philadelphia really easy from here. You can get to transportation, light rail in Media, Pennsylvania. You can get to King of Prussia. In a marketplace where a lot of builders are building on 8,000 and 10,000 square foot home sites, folks get real excited about the idea of the half-acre home site. At Ventry at Edgmont Preserve, Keystone Custom Homes is offering everything from the Augusta to our flagship, which is the Devonshire model. But the really unique thing is that Keystone Custom Homes offers these homes and the ability to customize them, the ability to expand them. Going into the Devonshire model, it is a monument to the open feeling that you want in new homes today. You've got the two-story fireplace, the wall of windows, but the kitchen in this home is really the feature that people fall in love with. Just a really large, expansive kitchen island that people can do entertaining on or just serving their kids breakfast in the morning. One of the hallmark reasons that people buy a Keystone Custom Home is the fact that we are a custom builder, and we're really a craftsman builder at heart. If you're looking for a custom home with small neighborhood feeling and located very close to all the amenities that anybody could ever want, Ventry at Edgmont Preserve really has it all.